Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the FC Mobile Rank Up OVR tips. I wish I knew sooner. And before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused, so I can chance the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the club button. As you can see, I just start this game with 97 OVR. I managed to rank up my OVR, but the first mistake I admit it. I too much I waste Mascherano, I rank up my useless player. I don't know what to do first, whose player that I want to rank up first. But today I wanna based on my experience, I wanna show you who's first to rank up. So I recommend you to rank up the attacker first, because mostly in the gameplay you rely on your attacker. So try to upgrade your attacker first and then your defender. I recommend you to go with the center back and goalkeeper here. So for the goalkeeper, the higher is better. So try to rank up your goalkeeper. Sorry. And for attacker, or for rank up your player, this one you can rank up. Please don't waste with 50% probability, just go with 100. So don't waste your time with just 50% probability. It's like a scam. Just go with 100 and you are good to go with rank up your player. So maybe this will helpful. The point is, try to level up, try to upgrade your attacker first before you upgrade or rank up players in another positions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.